to the world of SnoMoQuads. The last one I built that you might have seen on Cars and Cameras. I did not film any of it. But this is a 1994 Jag 440 by Arctic Cat. Previous owner stored it in the garage. They had a dog. Dog decided to eat the hell out of the foam and the seat, which sucks. My helper is not happy. She has thrown her bottle. 440cc fan cooled inline 2-stroke. That carb is no go. I do know it fires, but I'm gonna get to pulling that carb off and see you in a second. Whew. This thing's had a rough life. I don't know what the inside of that carb is gonna look like. That's a huge hole for a jet. This thing drinks fuel. I already know it. I swear by this. Remember, just temporary. I have the actual one coming. Kill switch works. Let's see if she fires pretty good. Cool. That. That's it. It's done. That's funny. That thing is a good stance too. Hopefully we ride it today. That'd be pretty fun.
Alright. Let's take her for a ride.
I'm pretty sure it's a lot deeper than I think it is. It keeps dying on us. Give it some gas. Yeah, the new carb never showed up, so we had to go and take it by itself.
Too much.
All right, yeah, give your professional opinion.
Well, for never having a snowmobile on wheels before, it's awesome. A little fast.
So fast it ripped the damn seat off.
They just the hood.
Dude, yeah, I got all of that.
I was like, oh shit.
We finally have her running good enough to actually do a more proper test. And I have my helmet mount so we can get actual speed data, all that stuff. Now, I'm going to tell you all this now. This is the last time you're going to see it as a snowmobile. Probably. I mean, it might be in a couple videos until we do it, but we are going to rip out the 440 that's inside of this and we're going to put it in a buggy. It's going to be interesting. Not a go-kart either. It's in between a side-by-side and a go-kart. It's interesting. You'll see. But anyway, we got the new carb finally. Nice new 38. Replaced the 34 that was on it. Nice big old uni. She runs like a champion now. Yeah. It runs pretty decent now. So much better, doesn't flood out. Yeah, let me get my helmet on and we'll take you around. All ready? Idle's good when it's warm. But yeah, you'll see what we're replacing this one with next. Because we have another vehicle to show y'all. So, until then, see y'all later.